Welcome back, and as promised, we are back at Marc's. Once again, it's pouring with rain and freezing cold, but undeterred, Marc is going to show us his secret thing he wants to have a look at and share with you guys on the Morris Minor.
I've got a photo of the van here, which I took a few weeks ago. And that's what the van looks like now, obviously. But somebody sent me this, which is the van in, we reckon, the late 70's. And if you notice,
And is that the same van?
that is the same van. Look, there, look. That is the same van. And if you notice, it's got post office written on the side.
It does.
So I reckon, looking at that, if we took the paint off there, I wonder if it's still under there.
Good
You
chance.
know what? It could be.
And also, there's like the Queen's crest up there somewhere.
On Her Majesty's Secret Service.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
And there's also some other writing like here. And there's like a, I think it's a tyre pressure thing down there somewhere. I thought, if we take the paint off, what are the chances of that writing still being there?
I reckon good, you know. Looking at this paint, I reckon, because that's brush paint.
That's gloss. That's
Someone-
like household
so-
gloss.
That's probably lead-filled Dulux from like 1980.
Yeah, it's very 1970s beige, isn't it?
I reckon you're right.
So
I like that secret thing because it genuinely could be a secret
it
thing.
could be there, yeah, it could be. Because there's the yellow nut, and this is where the board went in, the advertising board.
Yeah.
So it's the same back end.
So how are we going to get the paint off?
Could try blowtorch.
Yeah,
Could try a bit of paint stripper.
yeah,
Should try that?
Yeah.
Go for it. Yeah.
I reckon.
Right, I'll go and get some paint stripper.
I think Mark's got a few bits for us to try.
It's Christmas already.
Well, not quite. No. Because the paint stripper has dried out. As you can see, there's not a lot in there. And actually, it's just dust that comes out of it. So we haven't actually got any paint stripper.
So our options are blowtorch
Blowtorch
and rubbing it down.
and rubbing it down.
Well, that's it then, isn't it? Let's go. Fire! So we're just trying a expendable area now. What about emery paper after a bit of heat?
Yeah? Okay, I'll go and get some.
That's more forgiving, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, go for it. Let's go for the main.
It should be, I think, tyre pressure. I think on the top.
PSI?
Yeah, PSI. I think it's more than one layer of paint on that. I think this like creamy colour is underneath it. It's coming off nicely, but is there anything under there? Nothing there, is there? Nothing there. That's a shame. Okay.
I've just noticed from this vantage point, you've actually got holes beneath the windows.
Yes.
I hadn't spotted that before.
Yes, not good. Anyway, that's not what we're here for today. We're looking at the upside, not the downside. Okay.
Have you seen our channel?
I try not to.
So this is do or die, isn't it?
This is do or die. But yeah, it is. It's
there.
so it's there, up there somewhere. It's off it. The E should be about there. Let's give it a
It's
go.
probably a sticker they peeled off.
They would have been hand painted back in the day, wouldn't it? You would have thought.
Yeah, I would have thought so. It would have
Hand
been,
painted.
yeah, sign written, isn't it? Is there somewhere?
Yeah, it was in line with this, wasn't it? I think D's not there, then I think, yeah.
D's not there, nothing's there, is it? That's a shame. I'd like it to be there.
Before we carry on. Really?
Yeah.
It's too big.
Is it?
Yeah, because
Yeah,
look.
it's not
Yeah, and
too
it comes
big.
up to here, look.
Way too big. How that big?
Oh, that bit's too big.
Yeah, look.
Oh,
You know
okay.
where the P is, look.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. I prefer that name for it.
Okay, now that Ed's got that out of his system, we can get on with it, can't we?
Yes, let's.
Nothing there.
Oh man.
Nothing there.
But would it be on the yellow or beneath the yellow?
It'd be on the yellow, wouldn't it? I'll take off a layer underneath as well then, yeah? Is there anything there? Or is it wishful thinking?
Can't see anything because that's metal under there.
It's metal, is it? You sure?
Yeah.
I wanted Chris to do his Tony Robinson piece.
Who's Tony Robinson?
The history guy.
Oh.
Does all the archaeology.
Ah.
He's in Blackadder.
Okay.
Right, let's try this little bit up here then. Here's where the glass shatters.
You thought you'd have left the crest on.
Have you found anything?
We haven't.
Oh,
They're quite disappointing.
No,
No.
nothing there.
Failed.
Nothing there. Oh well, it's worth a go.
yeah.
This has got it partly rubbed down.
I reckon it's a ploy just to get us to do the work.
Yeah, that's it. Well, we haven't done any work.
That's very true. So it's fair to say we're crestfallen, aren't we? That was worth a look though. I was convinced there would be something.
I thought there would be. Why would you take the stickers off if
yeah,
you're going to paint over it?
exactly.
Unless it was a post office policy
Yeah.
to de-sticker it before they sold it.
So that's what we'd have been looking for.
Yeah,
That's an original.
yeah, that's obviously done up. But
Yeah.
No, well, I reckon that would have been a sticker. What year is it? I don't reckon it would have been a sticker.
yeah, maybe it was a sticker.
That is such a shame though that we haven't got it.
Well, that would probably have been a very good video if it was there, wouldn't it? It's still a good video now, but if you've seen that,
This is a video that could have been.
yeah, that's the one. Yeah, it could have been like, wow, look at these guys. They've actually unstickered.
Welcome to another piece of scrap. Look at what you could have seen.
Yeah, that's it.
Had it gone right first time. So to summarise then, we don't have the original sign writing, which is a bit of a shame, but it can't be helped. It's worth a look.
It's worth a look, yeah. It's a shame. It does mean I don't have to preserve it.
You don't. Now you are free to turn it into a pickup with a V8 and a supercharger.
That's right.
Bye, viewers.
So on that happy note,
Even though I have bought a 1275 A series engine to go in it,
and we have done a giveaway on that, haven't we? We've
So-
already shown that.
so we know what engine's going in it, don't we?
So if I joke about V8s and Tesla batteries and motors, they know I'm joking.
Well, we'd hope so. Otherwise, I've just wasted a load of money on an A series 1275 engine.
So guys, as you can see with our channel, none of it's made up. We don't know what we're going to expect. We don't rehearse any of this beforehand. As you can probably tell, we were hoping to have the original graphics in here, So was Mark. We are disappointed, it has to be said. However, we are going to duck back in and see more of Mark's progress as you can now get stuck into this.
Yeah. Hopefully I'll get stuck into it in the next couple of months. Probably 3 months, let's give it. Maybe 4 months.
We'll probably pop back before that though.
Yeah.
We know you've been busy on your Land Rover.
Yeah.
We have done a bit of filming on that, but not much to be fair, as Mark's been quite frankly just trying to get it done. The focus will gradually now transfer to this. So stay tuned, see what's coming up. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Cheers then, bye bye.